Okay, boys and girls, let's take a look at our anchor chart real quick. So remember, these are our 2D shapes. That also means that they are flat shapes. So on Monday, we learned all about a circle, and we know a circle has 0 sides and 0 vertices. Here were some things that you guys sent me for circles that you could find at your house. On Tuesday, we learned all about a triangle. Tell me again, how many sides does a triangle have? Good, I hope you said 3 sides. And that also means how many vertices does a triangle have? I hope you said 3 vertices. And then here were some of the pictures you guys sent me for triangles that you could find at your house. And then yesterday we learned all about a square. How many sides does a square have? 4 sides. And what makes a square so special? I hope you said all of the sides are the same length. So if a square has 4 sides, that means it also has how many vertices? 4 vertices, good. And then here were some of the pictures that you guys told me about that you could find. Windows. Some people sent me a picture of a picture at their house. And then somebody also said crackers. Nice job, boys and girls. So today we learned all about a rectangle. Let's count how many sides a rectangle has. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how are these 4 sides different than in a square? Remember, 2 sides are short and 2 sides are long. So look, I added those extra notes on here next to our 4 sides. If a rectangle has 4 sides, then how many vertices does a rectangle have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job, boys and girls. So you know what to do now. Your job is to find 3 objects that are shaped like a rectangle in or near your house. I can't wait to see what you guys send me. Have a great day. Bye.